Afternoon, everyone. Okay. Maybe before I start, I'd like to thank to the leadership from Allstom. My name is Tendani Mphephu. So I'm seeing Yvonne right there, and then Tabo. I was hoping they would stand up. I was sitting for quite some time, expecting them to stand up, but I see they're tired with traffic, so I'll continue. Okay. I know this is not an easy one, because I'm one of the students that came here who was given an opportunity to come here and learn. I was a different person when I come here, and then I left differently. So I was not putting my house in order when I come here. And then the focus was more on the other people that they are not doing well. But when I left, I went and put my house in order. And then all the opportunities just opened. So I get an opportunity where the team were starting to respect me. The team was starting to support me. So the production went up. It didn't go down. So what is the message? The message that I just want to let everyone know is that when we are leaders, when we are team leaders, when we are supervisors, when we are managers, we have a huge role to play. So we are not only focusing on the production that need to happen, but we are also focusing on the 7 aspects of life. So we also need to encourage our people to know where to draw the line. They need to support our work. They need to also take care of themselves. So if they don't take care of themselves, they can't produce well. So we need to encourage them that, and then by whatever that we are doing in a daily life, it impacts their life. People are spending most of their time at workplace than at their home. So if I'm happy at work, automatically I'll be happy at home. But if I'm sad at work, where I'm spending most of my time, it's either I'll find excuse not to go to work, or I won't be happy at home. So if an employee is not happy, those employees won't produce. I'm not saying we need to go to individual, make them happy. Happiness is coming from me. But what can I do to ensure that the environment that my people are working is safe and is good for them to enjoy? Is by the leadership skills. So in leadership skills, you need to ensure that you use different types of leadership. Remember, when a company opens, the only thing that they are focusing is profit. That's the reality. But you as an individual, you are not only looking at the profit, you are also looking and taking care of the people that you are working with. So with that leadership skills, you will be able to change every time. You don't use the same leadership skills every time. It changes with the date, it changes with the time. So there's a leadership skills that we want you to push people to deliver at this time. There's also a leadership skill that also needs you to lead the people, and they need to follow you, and then they need to learn from you. So every time, based on the situation, based on the production of the company, you use different leadership skills. Not one way, and not only me that I need to do everything. So if I'm talking based on non-Tlansa, when she come here, there's a lot of things that I already see when she come here. Because she take accountability of our work. She take the job as her own. Like she'll make sure that she'll do her best to ensure that the production is running smoothly. And not only that, even she's also taking care of the people. So those are kind of leadership that we want from everyone. So we need to take care of our people. We need to listen to our people. A leader listens, doesn't talk only or always. You listen, you give them ears, because that's when you improve your skills. But if they're only listening to you and do what you are saying, so only do like this, but not exploring the other ways, because they're not getting the ideas from other people. So it also goes to us as managers. It's our responsibilities to ensure that we listen to our people. We create an environment where everyone is safe and free to express themselves without the fear of judgment. That's what leadership does. When you come here, it's like, I'll give this example. Someone who have money, they don't care about how other people say about them. But when you don't have money, you are even scared to take some of the decisions. So that's why we bring people here, to get that leadership, that money leadership skills. So when you go back, you don't have that fear of taking any opportunity. You don't have any fear to challenge. You don't have any fear to try new ideas. You don't have any fears to drive. So that's the only purpose why we bring people here. And I'm one of them. I wasn't like this. And thank you.